Yeah, hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see that Python dictionaries. So in this session, we are going to learn another very useful Python data structure dictionaries. If you are a beginner, don't worry. We will understand dictionaries using simple example and practical use cases. By the end of this video, you will learn what is a dictionary, why dictionaries are useful, how key value pairs works, important dictionary methods, practical examples using dictionaries. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of data stored as key value pairs. Dictionaries are written inside curly brackets. Each key is linked to one value. For example, see in this student's data, the student's variable, I'm having that values. So name colon John, age colon 20, grade colon A, right? Same like I said, the dictionary value is going to be inside of the curly braces. But here values are going to be like a key value pair. Name is representing your name value, age. So in the left side what we are having, these all are called keys. The right side what we are having, these all are called values. Right? So let's get into that our Visual Studio Code. See here, just I will take that one, the same type of thing. Students equal to curly braces. So here the name, right? Colon, you have to put that colon, Selva. So how we can separate that? So multiple values, multiple key value pairs by putting the comma, right? So department, we have to put it within the code, single quote or double quote, and colon IT, right? Run it. Students. See, run this one. Name colon Selva, department IT. Yeah, these are dictionary values, key value pairs, key value pairs here. So here, name, age, grade. These all are keys. John 20A. These all are values. In our example, name, department, keys. Selva IT values. Right? So real life example of dictionaries. So imagine a real dictionary book. Each word has a meaning. Each the dictionary book, you know that one, right? So each word has a meaning. The word is like the key. The meaning is like the value. Same in the Python, dictionaries works in the same way. They help us quickly find a value using its key. Right? So here the meaning equal to, see here, apple. What is apple? So key, the word apple. What is it? It's a fruit. It's a meaning, right? And car. So yeah, vehicle. Run it. So meaning, yes, this is a key. This is a value. So word is a key. Word is working like a key, and meaning is working like a value. Why do we need a dictionary? Sometimes data is better stored with the labels. With a label. For example, see here, students. Mm, student list. I'm going to have it like a list format. Okay, so name is Silva and his department is IT, right? Suppose if you want to get that name, you should remember that index position, right? If you want to get that name 0, no, you have to get it. So you have to remember that index position. Suppose if you're having that huge amount of values in a list, so remember that index position, it's not easy, right? At the same time, dictionary if you're using, it's easy. See here, students, I need that name, then use that key name. The key name, you can get that name. It's easy, right? Students of department. It is going to return the department, right? So key value pair. Sometimes data is better stored with the labels, example student name, age, email, and city. If you use a list, we must remember the positions. If you use a dictionary, we can use meaningful keys. So dictionaries make code easier to read and manage. Okay. So with the label, we are going to use it, and creating a dictionary, we are going to create the dictionary using the curly brackets, and keys and values are separated by the colon. We have seen it. It's going to be separated by the colon, and multiple pairs, if you are using now, multiple key value pairs are separated by the commas. This makes dictionary perfect for structured data. Putting that comma, right? Accessing values in a dictionary. Using the key name, we can access it. Using the key name, we can access it. We access values using keys. Unlike lists, dictionaries do not use numeric indexing. They use meaningful labels instead. Yeah. So label, you can use it. The key name we are going to use as like a label name. If you are having that multiple values, multiple key value pairs, now which one you want to get it? You have to mention that name. You have to mention that name. Yes, that's it. Okay, adding and updating values. Suppose that with the existing what is this one dictionary, if you want to add the value students, I want to use that update. What I want to add, I want to add that values. So here city, I'm going to use it. See here Chennai, right? Run, and students, see here, now I'm getting that city value, it's added. The update, you can use it for adding the value. The update, same update, you can use it for that updating that values also. So here the same city, now I'm changing that city value from that to Chennai to Bangalore. Run it. Students, here, see this one, Bangalore, it's updated. So update, you can use it, adding and updating values. So dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means we can update that values, we can add that values, we can add a new key value pair, we can also update an existing value. This makes dictionaries flexible and easy to maintain. Removing, if you want to remove that values, so what you can use it, you can use that pop as usual, that other functions, other data structure types, we use that pop, right? Pop. But here actually other data structures we did not pass that values, but here it is expecting the argument. Which item, which key you want to remove? The city. What is the city value? So the key name, you have to pass it for deleting the values if you are using the pop for deleting. Pop for deleting, right? So here again I'm added the city, I added again. So now it is showing. Okay. So here the students dot. So we don't have that remove option, right? But here we have that one more, the del. See, del is a keyword. It's a reserved keyword. Okay, del students of. What do you want to delete? I want to delete that city. Then you can use that key name. See that output? Students. See, I don't have the city value now. I don't have that city value, right? So del function, del keyword, you can use it deleting that values. Clear, it's for clearing everything. It will clear everything. The students clear that empty. Okay, it's clear. So nothing, it's deleted. Only empty dictionary available. So important dictionary methods. So here once again, actually I will add that the student values again. See here where our the student one, this is the one, add it, and I'll run that one, and this one, or else this one, I'll run it. Now I'm having that all the values. Yes. Now if I want to get that values, only the keys, students dot keys, students dot keys, students dot keys. Okay. So students dot keys. So here it is going to return only the key value, key names, key names. Suppose if you want to get that only that values, okay. So it's a function, so I have to use that function. See here, yeah, functions, items. If you want to get that item, see here, students dot items. It's also function. It is returning each key value pair like a separate tuple values, key value pairs, items. Get function, students dot get of. Same like this one, using that key name, you can get that values. Okay, this same like this one, same like this one. It is going to get this one, but difference. For example, see here, students. Okay, students. I'm trying to get that age. It is throwing error because there is no any key in the name of age. At the same time, if you are using that get function, get, so age, if it is not available, it is not throwing any error. Okay, so if you need, you can use this one not applicable like this default value. If it is available, it is going to return. For example, see here, I am going to use this city. City is available, so it is returning the city value. The student's dictionary, city is available, so it is returning that city value. If it is not available, it is going to return the default value. So get update. Update already we have seen it. Update we can use it for adding that values, right? Or updating the existing values. So get's also one of the function which we can use it for getting that values that are useful. So it will avoid throwing the error. Return none instead of an error. It will return none instead of an error. If it is missing now, it will not throw an error. It will return none. So looping through the dictionary. Looping through the dictionary. So loop concept. So in the next session we are going to learn that looping concept. But now I will show you how we can get that key and values through the looping concept. So where in the students. So here print of key comma val. Run it. So here what I'm missing here, students, too many values to unpack, expected. Yeah, that's fine. What is missing here? So it's my mistake. So say here, so the items already we have seen it, right? Item is it returning what? The same one, we need to get it. Items. So run it here. See the name Selva. So department IT, city Bangalore. Right? So looping, using the looping concept, we can extract that all the values from the dictionary. We can extract all the values from the dictionary. The student information, if you are going to store it now, you can store it the student information. That's a real-time example. Student name, roll number, grade. So we don't want to remember the index value. Just we can use that key name. Then you can get that. Suppose if you want to get that roll number or grade, we can use this one key values instead of remembering that index version. So dictionaries are useful for records, profile settings, and JSON-like data. Dictionary uses a list. A list stores values in order. Dictionary stores values with the labels. Use a list when order matters. Use a dictionary when labels matter. Okay. Order is if you are going to store it now, then you can go with that one. List concept, we don't want to keep that any label like a key values, keys. But label, so that key name is the matter now, then we can go with that one dictionary concept. Nested dictionary also we can use it. Nested dictionary within dictionary, right? Dictionary within dictionary. See here, the same example. I'm going to use it here. What is that one? See, the employees run here, right? So what is this employee? Employee, I'm getting employee ID 101 details. This one, employee dot ID, employee of ID. It is going to return that employee ID. Employee of details. It is going to return all the details. I need that name of the employee. Employee of details. one more square bracket, nested one. If you want to get it now, you can go with that one, two square bracket like this. The Selva, right? Selva, employee, details, and what is that one? City, city. So here, employee, name. So this one here. That's it. See here, data. So nested dictionary also possible. Okay, in the web applications, if you are going to pass that values, at the time, so you can use this, and so they are useful in APIs, JSONs, and configuration data. Nested dictionaries are common in real applications. If you are going to pass the values to that your application, or from the application, if you are going to extract the data using that API concepts, now you can use these nested concepts, right? Yeah, the summary: the dictionary stores data as key value pairs. Dictionaries are use meaningful keys instead of numeric indexes. They are mutable, so we can add, update, and remove items. Methods like keys, values, items, get, and update are very important. Dictionaries make Python programs clear, structured, and practical. Mastering dictionaries is an important step in learning Python. So, dictionary concept, we can use it when we are going with the values identification using the type of label format, right? That's all about the dictionary. Thank you. So, we'll see it in that our next topic.